Hello everyone. In this video we will be learning how to do experiment using screw gauge on OLAPs. Let us first understand how screw gauge looks like. It has two scales. First one is pitch scale, which is horizontal. Second one is circular scale, which is indicated here in vertical line. In the right side we have a ratchet which is used to rotate this screw. Before proceeding, let us learn how to calculate pitch. This pitch is calculated by this formula given here: distance moved by screw divided by number of full rotations. So we will rotate this screw using ratchet, and then we find the distance moved by it. So this pitch can be calculated by dividing distance and the number of full rotations. So it comes out to be 1 millimeter, because in one rotation it moves 1 millimeter of distance in pitch scale. Next term is least count. Least count is calculated by dividing pitch with the total number of divisions on circular scale. The total divisions on circular scale are 100. So 1 divided by 100, then the least count will be 0.01 millimeter. Coming to procedure, we have a table here. In first column, we have to write the pitch scale reading, number of circular scale divisions on reference line, then value, and then we will have a formula in which we will put both these values and calculate the reading. So in the right side it is written corrected. It is for the screw gauge which are not correct, which have some error. So in this screw gauge we have no error, so we will ignore this, the corrected column. Next, going to simulator. In this left side table we have option to select least count. So we will select 0.01 millimeter least count. Next we have objects. We can do this experiment using lead shot, wire, glass plate and any other lamina. So we will select first wire. Now tap on this wire. So it will be fixed here. On this right side we have two arrows, extreme right. These are useful to rotate the screw. On one tap it rotates by one rotation. So if you see, in one rotation it is moving 1 millimeter of distance horizontally. On pitch scale you have to tap it multiple times so that it can be well adjusted. The wire can be well adjusted. We have the zoomed image of readings. Now on horizontal scale the reading is somewhat near to 0, so we will take it as 0. The pitch scale reading is 0. For circular scale reading, this horizontal line or reference line, it is coinciding with the 46th division of circular scale. So the circular scale reading will be 46. Now coming back to the previous formula in procedure. We will write here in first box for pitch scale reading as 0 millimeter. Number of circular divisions on reference line, it will be 46. Next value n into least count, so it will be 46 into 0.01 millimeter. Observed value will be the sum of pitch scale reading and small n multiplied by least count. So there is a correction in this formula. We have to add capital N and small n multiplied by least count. So that will be our final reading. You have to take multiple readings You can take 5 or 6 readings and then find the mean of those readings to get approximate correct value. Now going back to simulator, we will do the same experiment with another material. Let's take glass plate. Tap on this. It's now placed. Now adjust this ratchet by tapping it multiple times. Here the scale is zoomed out. Now in this case the pitch scale reading will be 2, because it is not exactly 2 but somewhat near to 2. So the capital N will be 2 millimeter. On circular scale, this reference line is coinciding with 64th division. So the circular scale reading or small n, it will be 64 here. Now apply the same formula to get the thickness of this plate. You can use many materials or any other material by selecting from the table. So I hope that you found this video useful. Thank you so much.